true. I make more of a bella figura. That is my nature. But I also want to make a move into legitimate enterprises.
I'd like to get a little pin from the Pope.
Sure. I take the blacks and the Spanish into my family because that's America.
And you guarantee that they don't deal drugs in those neighborhoods?
I don't guarantee that. I guarantee I'll kill anybody who does.
Let me talk to him. Let me talk to him.
Who can refuse Don Altobello?
Joey, are you...
No! I say to all of you, I have been treated this day with no respect. I've earned you all money. I've made you rich, and I asked for little. Good. You will not give, I'll take. As for Don Corleone, well, he makes it very clear to me today that he is my enemy. You must choose between us.
Hey, Joey! No. We could reason together. No. I... Please.
Michael, the news is everywhere. Everyone is saying that you control Immobiliari.
Immobiliari already is laundering money in Peru, in Nassau. We know that.
Listen to me, Michael.
Michael, your friends out. We've been together 40 years.
We should wet our beaks a little.
We want to do business with you, Michael.
That's right.
We've been together too many
We can wash our money clean in the holy water of...
E Duma così a me. E che fa?
What the hell is that? Let's go. Let's get out of here!